Hey guys, new video about today, and then we're gonna talk about the bond session. I already posted the video of the London session. This is about the bond open, and I'm gonna show you guys that our bias was pretty neat and everything worked out pretty well. We didn't had much news. We had 10 minutes after the bond opened. We had some medium news, not of that big importance, but price was already at the VWAP. So at VWAP we don't do much. And let me show you what our plan was. So on the left we got our 2-1 chart. This is our main chart. From this we have our plan. We had this zone here. I did through this morning on the London. I was telling people in the group we're gonna go short from this zone. All good. Bias above this zone is look for longs. So what did we see? We had some setups here already at the bond open. We had the breakout. We had this bounce. This was before the bond open, by the way. We had the bounce of this level, first pullback after the bounce. I mentioned this in a video, previous video. So this was the bond open. We're back at that zone and we want to see price make clean structure above the VWAP or clean structure below the VWAP and this zone, because this is that zone we want to go short from here. So pretty simple. We waited for structure, and what did we see? Well, what did we see? We had lower highs, pullbacks here and here. I was in this one, and then see, nice pullbacks. Don't look too much at this red and blue boxes. This is something I'm testing from my algo, from my signal service, and you will see those work out pretty well, but later I will tell you more about it. So what do we see? Also shorts from here, because we are below these lows, below the structure. So still shorts continuing. We were looking for shorts from here, and we were looking for shorts from here, and this is why I like ultra bonds, and this is why I like the structure on the Renko, and this is what you won't see on normal time charts or maybe tick charts with ultra bonds, because you miss out on the structure. We broke this structure, bam, 2 ticks, retested, and we had some nice signals here on our KISS order flow chart, and this thing dropped. Also, for our bias, we are below standard deviation 1. So this was a push. This is a little bit higher risk because we are also breaking standard deviation 2, and we know price might pull back when it's pretty far outside of standard deviation 2. So this is something you keep in mind taking shorts. So this was still pretty clear. In this case, big negative delta, so we took this short also. Keep in mind again, this thing won't go 20 ticks outside of standard deviation. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ticks, maybe 9 ticks, and then it reversed. All good. We take 6 ticks on our trades, and if you have a stop of 2 ticks, maybe 3 ticks, as soon as this thing is running in profit, you set your stop to -1 tick, or you set it to break even. I do this from 3 ticks profit, so this was also a nice setup. In this case, we had a nice pullbacks here also. You see this, the retest, bam, bam, retest of this low. We got our negative deltas on it. We got our KISS signals on it. So this was looking very, very well. Gonna scroll to the KISS chart pretty fast. Yes, we had nice setups on these. Awesome stuff. So looking very well. We got trapped sellers in this area. Sorry, trapped buyers. That's and sell signals and trap buyers. So this is what you want to see. You want more confirmations, multiple confirmations on these pullbacks, these reversals, small pullbacks and then continuation. I mentioned in the group this was a strong level. We retested, it broke and pulled back, and then you could short again from the lows. This one I'm gonna put in all my charts. Yes, here on the 2-1 you see it break with momentum, retest and continuation. Look how big moves we got. This was the Friday low and pivot S1. Careful shorting on top of this one or above this one here, because you want to see a clear break. This one broke and then you want to catch the continuation. Maybe this wasn't the perfect break for you, break and retest, no problem. There are more opportunities to take a short. This one you would go out break even, this one would work out. And you see where this retest was. This retest was from this one here. So all good. So you had more opportunities to enter this one. You could have entered on this red one, on this one would break even, and this one you would short. We got big positive deltas on these two lows. That might confuse you, and this is also telling us we're gonna see a deeper pullback. So you just wait. As soon as you see this kind of deltas, you better not go short. If you, on the last delta we had minus 227, and then you see plus 132. So you wait to short this thing. Be careful. If you don't trust it, just wait, sit it out, and let's see what price will do. Indeed, it made a deeper correction, deeper pullback, and then there was continuation. We had a break of these lows, pullbacks, bam bam. You could have taken this one, these two nice setups over here. Simple setups with volume. I'm gonna look at the KISS if we got some confirmations on it. We got on this one, we got a trapped buyers bar, no sell or search. Along the way we had here trapped buyers, bulldozers, so nice signals over here on these. And then we had on this one nice sell and search bars, big negative deltas also on the KISS. Everything in our favor to short this thing. Pretty simple, because you can only see this thing is going down. Structure wise, this is all going down. Keep it simple, guys. Follow the plan, follow structure, and just step in, get in the rotations with multiple confirmations. You would like at least 3 confirmations on our setups. So this was the video about the bond open. This is already New York open, by the way. This from this part from here, this was New York. So you could have catched this also. New York has lots of volume, so this is why the pivot level also broke. Friday low, the low levels of yesterday are not that heavy weighing for bonds. They get many times broken, the highs and the lows. That's not that interesting. So that's that. Hope you liked the video. Hit me up on the Discord group if you want to know more or have any questions. See you later, guys.